Okay, y'all, let's get started on this study group thing. But yeah, Jaleesa texted me and she said she can't be here, that she had to go upstate with her uncle or something. I can't read what she's saying. But she said she emailed you her stuff.
it.
Oh, okay. So I guess you already know about that. Okay,
Yeah, okay,
so
so
she's got her stuff in.
Let's get started on this.
And she also asked, for us to send her stuff to her. The stuff that we did to her, so that she's called up.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, good deal.
But yeah, basically, when you figure quadrilaterals, you have to use the right equations with A plus B equals C and all that stuff. So, do you have a list of those equations?
Yes, I have it right here.
Do you know how to do that one equation to find like it's not circumference, it's when you add all the angles together?
Mm-hmm.
When you add all the angles of a quadrilateral.
Oh, it equals 360.
Okay, yeah, that's right. Okay, so how'd you do that? Because I forgot it already.
N minus 2 times 180.
That's it. Okay. So I'm gonna write that down.
So a acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degrees. And an obtuse angle is an angle that's greater than 90 degrees. That's right.
Right angle is always 90 degrees.
Right.
Has a little square box on it showing that it equals out to a square.
I think we got it, guys.
Cool. Alrighty. I guess I'll see y'all. Good luck on the test. If y'all need anything, tell me. I don't really know much, so.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mrs.
Goldberger.
Okay, class, today we're going to get started on our presentations. I hope that you're all prepared. Okay, Group 1 will be presenting on angles. Group 1, are you ready?
Yes,
Sure.
Mrs. Culpepper.
Okay, well, if you're prepared, then let's get started.
Alright, today we're talking about angles, and the first angle that we're going to talk about is called a right angle. And a right angle is 90 degrees.
And you can use your protractor to measure said angle. Class, is that 90 degrees, group?
Yes, ma'am.
Our second angle is obtuse, and we know that it's going to be more than 90 degrees. So we can measure this angle.
What degrees does that say, Lisa?
105. 105.
And the next angle we're going to talk about is an acute angle, which is less than 90 degrees. It's 50 degrees.
So as we have just learned, the right angle, which we have there perfectly, will always be 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is any angle greater than 90 degrees, which this one, by chance, is 105. And an acute angle, which is less than 90 degrees, anything below, which ours was 50 degrees. So that's a good demonstration of notes and review.
Is that all? Group 1?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Ms. Goldberger.
Good job. Group number 2 needs to get ready to present.
Did y'all see
Why are we
what
here?
Sue had on last night?
Good morning, class. Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Excuse you, Dylan. May I get through?
Her skirt was
Thank you very much. Food? Do I see food in my classroom?
Always.
I believe that's against my rules, Miss Kelly.
Here you go.
She won't ever stop moving.
Will you stop laughing at me?
I can't help it. You're just so funny.
My turn. My turn to talk. Okay? We have presentations today, class. Are we prepared? Because
What
I'm not seeing a group of students who look prepared.
What presentation? What are you
What
talking
are you
about?
talking about?
You have presentations on quadrilaterals today.
Quadra who?
Oh, you didn't tell us we had a presentation.
I think you should know that because this is what, the 8th week of school, and we've had one every week. Do I
What's-
have to tell you every
What
week?
is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral.
I am
Oh,
very
it's-
anxious to see what your
Sounds like
grade
a
will be when this
sick
presentation is over. If this is what we have to expect, I'm kind of scared about this presentation.
Can I go
No,
first?
I think we can do it. I think we can do it, Miss Culpepper. We don't know what you're talking about, but we can pull it off. Can we?
We can get it done.
I need to be.
What do y'all think? I mean, I don't know.
You need a Band-Aid?
Yeah,
Can I go to the
I have a
restroom?
boo-boo.
Oh my God.
No, you should have gone to the restroom before you came, and your Band-Aid will have to
But it's
wait.
almost lunch.
Just don't bleed on my
Yeah,
floor.
for real. We got like
Okay?
an hour. We need to like think about food. first.
Okay,
Okay, guys, let's just.
that's
finish
enough.
over.
Let's get on
Just
with
do
this.
it.
She's so demanding. I know. Grief. Well, a quadrilateral that's it, right?
Yeah, that's what that is, right? Yeah.
And this class is called a rectangle. It has 4 lines. Right?
Right. This is another quadrilateral. It has 3 sides. This is a square.
That's not right.
Girl, dude,
It's
that's a
gotta
triangle.
have 4 lines.
4.
Remember, 4. Quad means 4.
Anyway,
That's a
this is a complex quadrilateral because it's complicated.
That looks like a honeycomb.
A honeycomb looks like this.
I thought it
Anyway.
looked like stairs. He's climbing to nowhere.
Class, if you think of stairs,
Like you do every day.
got it.
Mrs. Salt and Pepper, why do you have...
Miss Culpepper, God.
Miss Belpepper.
Okay, and this is also a quadrilateral.
Oh, yeah, I remember
And
that.
it has no sides.
And it's 360 degrees. Because it's round.
But y'all just said that a quadrilateral had to have 4 lines, not a 1 line.
How would you get some hair? That's what Sue looked like last night.
No, y'all. This.
Guys, we were in the 10th grade.
That's all.
That's all we know.
Claudia
Quadrilaterals.
was Culpepper.
Hope we impress, like we always do.
We did good.
Mm-mm.
Awesome. We got an A, guys.
And an
We
A.
totally put on real.
Okay, maybe a C.
Well, I'm trying really hard to look at my whiteboard and find a quadrilateral.
What?
But I'm having a real hard time doing this.
The 4-line rectangle looks fabulous.
My 4
What's
line
not
square.
trapezoid? Like, really?
That
It kinda
complex
looks like
quadrilateral
an
looks
ideal.
kind of avant-garde, like my dad says.
Avant-garde, okay.
Whatever that
Too bad
means.
that you didn't study quadrilaterals as much as you studied your vocabulary words.
I don't know what that means. This is what my dad says.
Okay, class.
What did he write up there? I thought he said it was complex. That looks like accommodate.
It's complicated. I said it was complicated. I didn't write the word because somebody interrupted me.
You mean like my relationship?
What is
with
complicated is trying to figure out the drawings on this board. I am embarrassed to say
You're
that
over there.
your grades are going to reflect the work that you did on this project.
Not my grade.
Yes, your grade.
I can't cheer tonight at the game if my grade is bad.
Jaleesa,
He threw that at me.
She threw it
out of my
first.
class.
Really in trouble.
Okay, I threw it back at her.
You can leave too then.
Okay.
I gotta go.
That's not
Bring
fair.
lunch
Taking
anyway.
to lunch early.
I'm going.
Yeah.
Show do.
I'm going.
Come on,
for real.
let's go eat.
I'm going to class.
She's really happy. Okay, class, those of you who did well on your presentations and got good grades, you know that you were excused from this quiz. The rest of you will need to remain, and I'll be passing out your quiz. So we'll give a few minutes for those who get to go to lunch early to leave the room. Okay, most of you will be leaving early today since you're exempt from this quiz. Group 1, you will still be here, and I will be passing out your quiz. Jaleesa is not here. Anybody know where Jaleesa is today?
Straight up skew.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know yet. How many points is this for?
1, no.
7,000?
Girl, that's a question.
You probably would have been more prepared for this quiz had you been more prepared for your presentation.
Concentrate.
Next time I'm definitely going to sit. I'm done.
I don't know nothing.
Okay, well, your quizzes look about like your presentation. I will post your grades. Thank you.